It was like our whole world shifted, and there was so much uncertainty.
He came over in there to me and he said, "Miss Barrett, you're either having a small heart attack or a huge one."
When you come into the cardiac catheterization lab, you lay it out on a table, and we work very quickly to get pictures of the arteries of the heart. And the initial picture that we got of her arteries was critical left main coronary disease, and that's commonly referred to as the widowmaker. It is life-threatening, and on the initial picture and the initial injection of contrast into the arteries, her blood pressure dropped. She became profoundly hypotensive, and her heart stopped. And at that point, we had to perform emergency CPR and work very quickly to open up the arteries so that we could restore blood flow to the heart itself.
Dr. Slicker came to our family and he said, "Your best hope is prayer."
Unfortunately, Miss Barrett had additional problems. She had a very severe and critical heart valve that needed to be replaced. Her heart function remained critically weak, and she required intensive care for the next 1 to 2 days while we let her rest. Ultimately, we did bring Miss Barrett back to the lab and had to replace her aortic valve in a minimally invasive way, which is something that we've done for about 7 years at Redmond.
Dr. Slicker and everybody that worked with Mama, they were great. They were professional, they were compassionate, they held our hands at every turn, the ups and downs, highs, lows.
Everybody was just wonderful. All the nurses and everybody were just great people.
There's no question Miss Barrett came to the right hospital. AdventHealth Redmond is able to take care of patients that are critically ill and have critical heart disease, critical coronary disease, critical heart failure, critical valvular heart disease, and we can do it all under one roof. We've been doing this for 50 years in this community, and there's no question that being at AdventHealth Redmond saved her life.
They traveled it with us, and they were right there for Mama. We trusted their care.
And I did too.
We knew that Mama's heart was in the right hands.